Hey, what's good? Prash here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung anti-reflecting film for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So in this video, we're going to see what you get in the box, as well as apply the screen protector to my S26 Ultra and do a before and after to see what the difference is with the anti-reflecting film on. So let's get into it. So firstly, this is what reflections look like on the screen of the S26 Ultra without any anti-reflecting film. And as you can see, it is possible to see reflections on the screen. I will admit though, it's not as prominent as on other devices, but the reflections are still present. Alright, so this is pretty much what you can expect straight out the box. You get a microfiber cloth, you get some dust removal stickers, you get a squeegee, you get a physical guide that you can read through, you get an applicator tool, as well as 2 screen protectors, which is nice to have a spare. You also get a QR code for a video guide on how to actually apply the screen protector, which is also nice. But yeah, let's get started on the installation. Alright, so first I'm just gonna wipe down the screen of my phone. Then I'm just gonna attach my phone to this applicator tool. So I'm just gonna line up the camera system to the applicator tool. So it should just stick like that. Now this should make the phone a lot more stable to work on. I'm just giving it another wipe because I'm a little paranoid about dust. But I think that's the way to go. Just keep on wiping it until you're absolutely happy and sure that there's no more dust or marks remaining on the screen. Now I'm just going to use the dust removal stickers to get rid of any remaining dust on the phone. I guess you could use this video as a quick impromptu guide on how to actually apply one of these screen protectors, but there are many great online guides available as well. Now I'm just going to remove this little peel over here and attach the screen protector using the little knobs here that's provided to help align the screen protector. Now that I've got it aligned, I think it's just a matter of using the squeegee to start the application process. So that's one side down. Let's try the second side now. Now I will say that it can be a little bit difficult to do the top half of the phone because of the phone's camera bump. It is quite wobbly, so just be wary of that. Alright, so time for the big reveal. Alright, so there you have it. This is what the screen protector looks like on the phone, and let's just do a quick test to see how it actually diffuses reflections and light. So this is how it now looks with the anti-reflective film screen protector on. Feel free to rewind back to the previous part of this video just to see what the before looked like. Alright, so this has been my unboxing, install, and first look at the anti-reflecting film for the S26 Ultra. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and definitely comment down below what your thoughts are on the anti-reflecting film for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. But yeah, for now, it looks like we're out of time, so I'll catch you guys and girls in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.